Right, Rye Hill today on a windy day. Tell by the t-shirts. We'll do a scramble.
Beautiful.
Last time we did a scramble, we didn't play very well and shot 85. So
Yeah.
today will be play well.
We're going to try.
Yeah.
We're always going to try.
Try and break 80 or shoot 80.
That's the aim. 80 is the aim, I
5
reckon.
shots better. Let's go.
Whether or not this works or not today, we don't know. I think this wind is going to be beautiful. I don't think.
Get past the bush?
No, I don't think. I think it's behind it.
Nice.
I sliced the Jesus out of that. It's a habit, isn't it? Lost it. It's gonna be that bloke. First iron shot of the day is never usually a 6 iron. Cold out the car. Just try and hit something. I mean, it went forward. I mean, I'm happy because it went forward.
Well, we've got one that's safe. I've still got 250.
Sounds bad though.
So, 111. I'm just going to try and hit a pitching wedge. Ah, it's pulled it.
Properly wedged that, didn't you?
Taking yours.
Go on, get on.
Sit.
Oh, I see.
Sit. Yeah, shot.
I think it was the best. No.
It's a great putt. We're up there. Oh, well, no, not so great now.
It's not. I was expecting it to turn the other way.
Sit.
Great putt.
Lighter.
Yes.
What was that boat you got?
What is it? 400 yards.
Second hole, 400 yards. Bit more than that, isn't it? Yeah, it is 4.
Turn all the way through, Shaun, you prick. Turn all the way through. Not great.
Well, I didn't see it.
It's in front of the trees. Not good. I mean, my team went fucking nearly as far as the ball. Still yours.
I'm just going to go for the yellow bushes.
Gone round the corner, innit?
Yeah.
It's a great shot. Oh, yeah,
And
it's
it
gone
jumped
round,
on.
isn't it? I'll just use my good swing.
Clip the edge of the tree on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sit down.
I'm really happy with that.
Nice. Great shot, mate.
58, isn't it? for you. I don't want to get in your head.
Yeah, don't. So I'm gonna hit a 54 and try and like bump it on. It's just a bit too windy, isn't it?
Mine stopped nice, but I'm not sure if that's because of the wind.
Mine just kicked left, didn't it?
Just bounced the wrong way, didn't it?
Yeah.
I think that was the
Happy
right.
with it though. It's a good strike.
It was the right strike. I'll leave that flag.
Go on, go on. He's made it. He's fucking made it. That birdie?
Par,
Is it?
oh yeah, 1,
par.
2 to the
Yeah, it was par.
3, yeah, par.
It's go left. I go left on this one every time.
I'll go. Jesus
Par
Christ.
3, 150.
140. It's saying my watch. 140. Ah, no, he's hit the ground. Shoot! Oh, he went over the hedge though.
Did it? I don't know if it just absorbed into it.
No, I see it rolling.
Oh.
Over the edge.
Right.
It looks very good. That should be on, surely. Oh, he might. Is that going to leave too long?
I think it's going to bounce off that. It is in a terrible line. There's a massive bobble right in front of that there, and then another one halfway.
I can see that one. Big black mark, big brown mark.
There's two. There's one right. There's one there. Oh, the fringes behind it.
Come on.
The line was good.
Tap it in, get the par.
That's the par.
And then we'll go for the bird.
Come on.
Oh, I hit the ground. I hit the
That
ground.
fringe behind it, weren't it?
Yeah, I just hit it.
Well, we've got a par, boy. Move on. We're
Yeah.
all right. Looked good where it started, but
It's.
the sun killed my eye.
Oh, I'm not sure if it's rolled into the far bush. Stay where you are.
Dead straight. I committed to aiming straight.
Just rolled in the rough, but
I
that's
can hit it. Good.
great shot.
I need to start committing to that. That'll work. Lovely.
I think it's
Might be
bunker.
in a bunker, mate.
Mate, how have I hit it that far?
You hit it a long way there.
It's gone a good way. It's just.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, has it gone round the corner?
Massively right. You see that?
Yeah, it really carried on going as well. Too far behind it.
Hopefully we're not taking yours. No. Not too much. It's softer than you think, that, isn't it? Same thing, I'm bumping it. Get it up there. Just hooked, caught on the grass then. That would have been alright if it would have come out straight. Come on then, rescue us here.
I don't like that big chunk of mud right in front.
That's better.
It's short.
Better than mine.
We've got a chance.
Take
haven't
that
we?
one.
Got a chance. Don't think it's going to have as much as it looks. With that flag out, mate, when you.
Yep.
In a minute. Not good, that.
This could go fucking 10-foot past, mate.
It won't. It's going.
Oh, I hit my ankle with a putter.
Sorry, I shouldn't have.
Oh, that stings. Right, focus. There's no pain in my ankle. There's no pain in my ankle. Fuck you, Shaun. Look how fucking far away it is. Dickhead. Oh, it's bogey. It's alright. It's not alright. Fucking shit house.
What did you and Tom get off the golds?
I don't know.
Can you remember?
Nah.
You're on your video, innit? Or did you not tell them the score at the end?
Yeah. It was bad enough when we didn't want to tell them the score.
Straight. Stay. Oh, I can't see it now.
As soon as it gets up to there,
It's rolled behind that tree.
You're thinking it's behind the tree?
Well, it's playable from where it is, but it's in, you know, the tree, a couple of trees there. I'll just see it as it stopped.
Come here.
Lost it.
It was a terrible shot that worked out lovely. 7 again, isn't it? It's like the same number as that par 3.
Yeah. Stick it on. Go on, me.
Now aim right to the bigger side of the green. The fly on the ball. You're still on it. Fuck him. You wanna die? You wanna die. That's what you get. Killing a fly, innit? Shit out. I've come like that, innit? I'm really close into my body.
Something put you off?
No. The fly on it, but that wasn't it. Bad shot. Bad swing, bad shot.
Let's get this side of your pitch, your mark. Trying it, good shot now, no pressure. Well, that was a floor band. The same. It's not bad.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Out of that fucking lump.
Same as yours.
Yeah.
I think I own too far left then. It's gone a long way past.
It just took the hill, mate. I barely touched it. Oh.
I have a chance for some fun. It. There, mate. Finish.
Save the boat. One.
As asked. Little 8 iron. 140 something downhill. I think aim right. Oh my god. That's 2, isn't it, like that?
Oh, it's just on.
Oh yeah, see it pop his head. Hit the flag, hit the flag. Oh! What a putt. I've hit it too hard.
Go on, go on. Yes. Now,
In there.
this side.
Right, come on then.
We're trying it a straight one, boy. And you can bomb it as far as you
Get
can.
it up to where we got a shot in.
Ah, fuck. Sorry.
All right.
It's gone.
Oh.
Got a shot in from there.
Pressure's on now.
You got a shot in from there, mate.
Did it bounce out? What?
Yeah, it bounced out.
No.
Where's it gone? Trees.
Yeah.
Right, it's gone forward.
I'm not going for it. Still 233 yards into wind. Like.
Yeah, I just wanted to hit the 3-wood again, if I'm honest. Stay there.
It'll be alright. Fuck me, that was a horrible bounce.
Stop before the edge.
My risky one don't work out. You've got at least a shot in still.
There's going to be no risk, mate. You're going to put it lovely.
The wind's just died, so. I'm not having very good connections today, am I?
More than I think, Shaun. Come on. Done the same. 2 underneath it.
That's good.
Did get underneath it though.
Happy with that, mate? Shot. Black mark. Yeah.
It went the opposite way to where
It
I
went
thought.
nowhere near it, did it?
It's the right weight as well, annoyingly. It actually turned left, Liam, towards the top. Hey?
I can't see any break in that. Okay. Right edge then. Yours went there. That might have been it if I'd have hit it. Half 5, 8 foul, 540.
Pressure. Under pressure. I did it again.
For right!
Alright! Nah, it's nowhere near. It's not if it's gone back in my normal spot in the fucking head. Oh, fucking, I can't hit it straight. Stay there.
In that bunker. What was it? Still fucking 300 yards, mate. Ready? Perfect. Right where you wanted it, mate. Horrible kick left, but that'll work. No one there. Oh yeah. Gotta go. Gotta go. Nope. Or hook it left again. Oh, rolling. Yeah, wind nearly blew me over then. That's good. Two good ones.
Not as good as yours.
Yeah, but it's two good ones. It's not as close as you want it to be.
You're finishing that, mate.
You hope. You're hoping because that means you don't have to putt.
Oh, yeah, well, basically.
Nearly got you. Nearly fucking got you. I'm not even going to line it up. It's just confident, straight at it, innit? I always miss them when I say that. See? Double. Well, at least you saved the embarrassment of a double. Yeah, the wind pushed it, didn't it? Oh, that was a big kick. We should be all right there. That took a big jump forward, didn't it? Good. Oh, jumped in the bush, did it? That works. Just caught the ground too heavy, but yeah, it will.
That's a great shot. Stop there. Stop there.
Yeah, right edge of the green. It's all right, isn't it?
Roll off that. Roll off that.
It's all right, though.
Yeah, I mean,
I pulled that a bit as well. It is very, very right edge.
I don't even think it was bad, but
Oh, that's cute. Which one we taking, mate?
yes.
That's because you want me to putt again. You think I'm bloody stupid, don't you? Oh, 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 yeah. That'll work. That's far. Past the,
Well past it.
past the tree, mate.
Honestly, what's happened? Your driving is unbelievable today. You were hitting that shot 50 yards ahead. Now you're hitting it 50 yards further to 50 yards
Don't know.
behind.
Bit of wind out, but don't know. Oh no, 50 degree, 100 odd yards. It's in the sun. Just in that bunker. Yeah, I think it just come out a bit thin. Look. Not a bit low. Your distance would have been good. Just left, that was all. It was a good shot. Didn't hit mine, did I? Fucking hell. That's a lot further left than you think. Just drilled it, didn't you? One-handed putt. Fuck off, mate. Fucking bogeyed the last hole, so it's 500 yards. Right, come on then. Hit another good one. Commit to aiming straight. No, that hurt my back though, so I pulled that left, if anything. Hurt my back, that did. Perfect. Yeah. Little bit of wind push as well at the end.
I don't know what sort of shot I've got.
Go on. Tickle a hybrid up there.
Aim trees.
That'll work. There, left edge of it. Yes! Did it. Did it.
You leave your national alone.
Yeah. Alright.
I would say I'd aim for that pheasant, but
Get him. No, that's alright. We got a shot in there, haven't we? So 190. Really, I just want to be front edge left. Why do I keep hitting the ground so much? And catch him. I'll give you 20 quid if you touch him. Just touch him. Just touch him. Just touch him. You fucking run! That way you didn't even try. You didn't even fucking try. Well, I chose safe to be left, but you're at it, kid. You're right at it. Oh, it could be good. Go on, sit, sit. Yeah. I'll put it just left of it. Bogues.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, but we'll see.
Don't get pressure, mate.
Well, at least it's not into the sun.
Don't worry about that. What about sticking it that 6 foot away? I mean, in the hole would be better.
6 foot with a 6 iron. Absolutely lost that.
Well, it went dead straight. Rolled off.
I'll take that.
That's great.
As soon as I looked up then, blind, mate.
That's 6.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, Gosha.
Oh, what a kick. Yeah, left there, left just off, like 6, 8 foot off the green.
What's annoying though is have I hit the 6 irons there when I usually hit 4 and I can't get anywhere near it.
Make the putt then.
We're gonna have giggles back on that. Inside you. That's what I wanted to do.
Fucking sexual.
No,
Why are you giving it? Why am I giving it to you for? You're making the putt. Finally, you've got to make one at the end.
Right.
Don't need that out. Put it in the hole, mate.
I do need it out.
Put it in the hole, mate.
I'm gonna miss it now. You've got all in my head, mate. You've all got in my head. You got right in my fucking head.
Was it this side of it? Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, trying to get me nervous, are you?
Not often you get a fucking.
Thirteenth hole, par 4, 434. Second hardest hole this. Nah, you hit the ground. How was that? Bowled him out, didn't you?
Generally didn't know what you were doing there. I just left you to it. No, it looks like we're playing mine then. A very long way away.
I've done that before. I used to do that before.
I'd like to explain your actions there, my friend.
Nah, cut it. Shot. Yeah, should be good. Fuck, that number would have been good as well. Sorry, mate.
Don't mind a bit. Oh, the other way.
It's worked out lovely. I don't know if I'm going to get closer than that. Thank you. Fucking this twat didn't record me knocking it in. Now he's got the pressure, hasn't he? People won't believe that I didn't knock that one in, mate.
Yeah, but what was it for? 6?
I don't know.
Yeah, could be 3, middle, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6.
So what you're telling me then is you're going to make 5?
Fucking hope so. I think we doubled this last time. I think this is a good one.
Gay. Ooh, unlucky. They'll believe we made that putt, mate. Fuck's sake, scramble. I think it's very much wind off the left into.
No.
That might not be safe. Only because of the bounce.
It was still fucking turning. Yeah.
Twas it. Fuck me, that wind's pushed that. That was really good until it was in that middle and it just. See ya. Sweet. I mean, that's good. Yeah. Be alright though. Yeah. Throwing balls away. That was me, not the wind there. Yes, Shaun.
Again, that's a bit of wind, that, isn't it? Just caught up in the air.
Yeah, nice. Great though. Nice. What a shot. Oh, what a fucking horrible bounce. That was harsh. That was a great shot, mate. What did I say it was? Like 65, yeah? See that? Wind rolled the ball down. Thank you.
Great shot.
Yes.
Gives us a chance now.
Yeah. I'm going like middle of a cup on the left. It's a tiny bit more. Just a tiny bit more than that. That wind's horrible. Stop. Stop. Knock it in then, mate.
You know what happened earlier when we did this?
Knock it in then, mate.
Knocking it.
Knock it in, mate. Oh, you twat.
I can't do it, mate. When you do that, put that pressure on me. I'm not good enough. We're having too much fun, though.
That for 15th hole, par 4, 456. I think this is the hardest hole when it's back here.
This should be a 5.
Gone as well, isn't it?
Go. Stop.
It's in that little GUR bit.
He's in there. Oh, fuck me.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake, Shaun.
I think that's gone in the bushes too, mate. You gotta make it, at least get a flight on it. Right, come on then. 100 yards, pitch and wedge. Well, that little bit of grass definitely didn't put me off. What an idiot. It's fucking dead grass. Why did I let that put me off so bad?
No.
There it is. Poked his head
I
up,
was
look.
waiting to see if it
Back
got
edge,
stuck.
yeah, me too.
I was
Yeah.
waiting to see if it got stuck in the mud. It's already up here. I'll put it down there.
Take that. That's a very good putt. Come and knock it in for a bogey.
Even special, mate.
Come and knock it in for a bogey, mate. It's alright, on the bottom. Coming backwards. There it is. Yeah, I tried to just take it steady on that.
That's really good. Really annoying. Come on, get up there. There's really no point recording me.
Uh-oh, he's found out I've got a cheating stick. He hit my club there.
Oh, which way are we going, mate?
The numbers at the top.
Sort your shit out.
Fucking hell, mate.
You in the glorious and that sunshine.
Oh. I'm going to try and it's going to roll up there. Just didn't hit it enough, did I? Just didn't hit it enough.
What did you do? Just a little pokey night?
Bumpy 8. Twas a bit spinny, wasn't it, there?
You actually hit it like a wedge.
Right, we've had to switch camera out here, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, don't make a mock out of me.
My golf's done that already.
Go on. Oh, you fucker. It's the same fucking putt. That's a great putt as well, mate. Son of a bitch.
There's gonna be no sound on this though. You're gonna have to put music in the background. Oh wow. Hit the ground, yeah, I was gonna say.
Dodger, I'm having a good day today.
Yeah, you haven't actually got angry. Except when you told me off earlier. Shit.
I've been holding it in for 2 years, mate.
Still shit, I can't. Hit the ground.
Get up there.
Go on, work.
Sit. How's it gone over the back? You started before the fucking fairway bit.
Wow. Fucking hell though, you ain't blowing too much. Ow! Ow! Don't knock that ball. Better put that down just when you have your...
Well, you just said you're chipping in.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'll say one thing. Definitely don't do it. Go for it.
That's a great shot. I don't even know if I'm going to go. I don't even know if there's any point in me going.
If you do...
Oh, good putt.
Turned it, that one. Just turned it back.
Can't make it to the bogey.
It's that rut, mate.
Sorry.
Turned
Made the putt, mate, no matter.
I know. Oh, there's a step there. Right, 18th. Last hole. He's going to fucking smash it. 280 yards. I'm sure of it.
What, you got another mate?
386. Let's go.
Is he a nice guy?
He's a fun guy. I think it was. Yeah, I'm not sure if it went past.
Yeah,
Probably
both silently approved, didn't we?
Now, have I actually got a tee? Yeah, going for one of your tees.
Now Barry, big bollocks.
Yeah, I went into that. Old school. I'll use one of these for a fucking long time. Looks really good there.
Yep. That's really good too. I think yours might even be better. Maybe you caught rough there.
Had a big bounce. Saw the big bounce and then it just didn't see it after that.
Yeah.
I can't even see the flag.
Good. Middle. Didn't see it bounce, but it was great. It was right in the middle. Lovely. Lovely bajably.
Look at him, beautiful in that sunlight in the background. Really not a good look, but oh, he went for the hit of the ground for a second.
Well,
I don't even know what I did there.
put the pressure on me, have you, mate?
I'm absolute crack. It's better than mine.
Right. It was alright.
Yeah, grin on his face.
It broke left at the end. Oh, you're right. Come on then, knock it in. Knock it in, stop fucking about, mate.
I am shite.
I think that's a collective eye. Then we.
No.
Two lift outs in a row. Same putt there, isn't it? Is that for a double on the last?
Yeah.
That is some shit house to me.
We have set a very high score for our Scramble team to beat next time. That's how good we are.
86, so yeah, not very good.